House Painters Paddington.
Could your home or business use a new coat of paint? Are you looking for a change or looking to improve the look of your home? Or perhaps you're tired of staring at the peeling paint and colors that you just don't like. Painting is truly an art, and you don't want to trust this important job to just anyone. When it's your home or your business, you need to make sure that you're dealing with a painter that has the knowledge and experience to get the job done quickly and effectively. We would love to help you. Whether your painting needs are large or small, you deserve a painter who is professional, polite, punctual, and clean. One that is committed towards saving you time and money and doing a beautiful job. We will assess your painting needs quickly, tell you the cost, and get the job done right. We take a great deal of pride in our work and would love to improve the look of your home or business. Contact us today. You can reach us by following the directions on this page. We look forward to hearing from you.
For help with painting, please contact our office. We look forward to helping you. Thank you for watching House Painters in Paddington. For more information on how to contact us, please read the description below this video.